I have so many friends that are always interested to know about how I use Kangen water. And I decided to show you. Okay, so I decided to show you my routine. I don't know, probably a lot of friends know that I wear partial. So I'm gonna show you my morning routine today. Welcome, replay viewer. This is Natalia Faust coming to you live. I love helping people. Okay, so everybody know what is oil pulling, right? It pulls out of your mouth toxins. What I usually do in the morning, when I wake up, my first thing in the morning, I take my 11.5 water from this machine. Right here, I just press the button and I switch my teeth because we have so many bacteria in our mouth. So I made already fresh 2.5. I soaked my partial. And after that, I had time and I did oil pulling. So I put in a spoon oil of oregano. Here's Jacob. I put in a spoon coconut oil of oregano, and On Guard. Okay, Jacob. And On Guard. I switched like 15-20 minutes in my mouth. I spit it. And then I usually use my 11.5. So I have this little water peak right here. So I'm waiting on somebody jump on right now. So here's my water peak, and here is 11.5 that is able to break down oils. Ooh. So that's if you don't know how this machine looks like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just pour 11.5, and this is how I brush my teeth. See, I'm telling you, like it's unbelievable. Like people don't know that actually you can eliminate so many different chemicals. Hi, good morning, welcome. So brushing my teeth, got my 11.5 right here. I don't know if you ever use this. This is like lifesaver. I had so many issues in my gums, so that's what I do in the morning. I brush my teeth. I don't want any poison. So what I do in the morning, I wake up, swish my teeth with 2.5 strong acidic water that is, it's antibacterial. This is my hand sanitizer. By the way, if you close living to me, come and get free hand sanitizer. I would love to give it to you because, with the coronavirus, no toilet paper, no sanitizer. Here is it is disinfector, first aid, wound care, odor eliminator. Have it in my bathroom always, and a mouthwash. So I switched my teeth in the morning, I did my oil pulling, and now I'm gonna brush my teeth with 11.5. Basically, I already turned it in the... Let me show you how I'm gonna do it. I'll turn it on, and... Done! Now it's time for my partial. Here you go. Amazing. That's how I do it. I also have right here, I prepared for myself hand sanitizer. That is amazing also. Right here.
Yes.
And all the bacteria and viruses are killed. Okay, so now, since I'm here, and I need to do my laundry also. That's what I do in the morning. I have to do my laundry. Let's go do the laundry. I'll take my container with 11.5 that I brushed my teeth with, and let's do some laundry. Jacob, come on, help me dump your laundry right here. No, he's busy. He's feeding cat. Okay, I'm gonna do some laundry. You know what? After doing laundry with 11.5 water, you can actually add essential oils if you'd like. So after doing laundry, it is so soft and you know, you can sleep like a baby. You know, if you just got the machine, please remember that you have this 11.5, and it is amazing. So I put everything here, right there, and that's how you're gonna do it. So you're gonna press the button on your machine. Press the button on your machine, right there, the very bottom machine, and then you put the container like this. I have like this, but you can use any of this container. So I put the container and I fill up with 11.5, and then I will take it right here, and I will put half of it like this. You know, this is container, and I'm gonna put half of the container. It's amazing. Done. Half of it. All clean. No need to sacrifice your time. So just put this half of this container all here, wet, and let's do it. I like to put it on hot. There you go. It's on. Let me know where you're from tuning in. Would love to connect with you and say hello. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth. I got a bunch of stuff right here, and I'm ready to do demo for my friend. So, and let me know if you'd like me to show you my demo. I can email you actually. So thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next video.